Yo, buddy.
Hey, man.
Man, we gotta work on the scooter.
Today, I'm really busy, man.
What are you even doing, man?
Trimming my bonsai.
What the fuck is a bonsai tree, man?
Man, bonsai upkeep, very important.
Man, let's go.
Fuck, fine, man. We'll do it. Let's go, buddy.
Holy fuck. Fucking knee, man. I hurt my back so bad, holy shit. I'm actually in pain, man. Regrettable
I don't know what happened with my left
Holy
knee.
fuck.
Fucking get back into the game, buddy.
Jeez.
Get back on the horse. Alright, today, gonna try to slam the front end of the scooter. Probably won't work, because we already tried once and gave up. But fuck, man. She's gotta come down. It's just too high.
True.
Can't be having that.
Let's get her going then.
Max slam, always. Fucking get into it, buddy.
Right on, buddy.
Jesus Christ. Oh. The old leg, eh?
Smells
Fuck,
so
buddy.
fucking bad, man.
2-stroke, buddy. We're gonna work on the scooter a bit.
What do you get some stuff, you know? I'm gonna die, man.
What is it?
Throttle.
Man, there's a guy selling like a 2-stroke scooter exhaust that's sick on Facebook Marketplace.
Man, you got a moose in your lawn, man. Holy shit, man. What are you doing, man?
Man, listen to the horn. We're gonna try to do. We're gonna try to slam the front again. Holy shit, hydros.
Take off the stickers or what?
Yeah, we're gonna do a little sticker fetus leaders. We're gonna cut this thing off, and yeah, just a couple mods.
Right
Nothing to
on.
worry about. Man, listen, get up close to the horn. That's what rust sounds like, man. All right, so we got it at this dicked angle, so we can try to give her some mods. I don't know if that's bad for it. I don't really care if it's bad for it. What size? That's better be 15. Ow.
You gotta put a wrench on the other side, remember?
Does it spin?
Yeah.
Alright. Fucking wrench here. Choocher here. That's nasty, man.
Still have a rubber hammer, Adam?
We got a blast on it. There you go.
Man, there's a bolt right there.
I know, but. Bitch. How's this shit come out?
Oh man, why is it still not moving, man?
Give her a yank, buddy.
Alright.
Give her a Yankee Doodle. Holy shit, hey, you got the foot in there? Alright, fucking hangulate this one. Alright, so Buddy Van Scroodle sanded the goddamn snipper snappers here. The snaps, spring snoovers. This one's a little bit more dicked than the other one. Fucking dick. Look at the hangle. For mods. Okay, this one's out too. Hell yeah. No, we can just leave it on.
How you get snappering off?
Doesn't matter if it's just chilling there.
Alright man, get me a rope. I'm tying it around here and I'm standing on the top and I'm gonna pull up. Deadlift that shit out. You down?
Is that how they come out?
I have no idea. Might as well try.
Certified fucking Yamaha engineers here. Man, in the fucking workshop. Yeah, it doesn't matter to me.
Do you have a plate?
Probably.
Oh, are you plate swapping?
I have a car plate in worst case.
We got till 5 o'clock.
Yeah. Fucking Rick in 1996 brings his brand new Yamaha jog in for some repairs. Did you see him in the repair shop? Fucking doing some squats.
I'm pretty sure this thing's leaking fluid. Come on, really let them know. Come on.
Fuck, okay. This one's for SpaceX. Okay, wait. I don't want to bend this either, the fucking axle.
It's like not the way it's supposed to come out.
Give her some whackage ways.
Zoom it out.
Give her the beans, buddy. Fucking SpaceX.
Yeah, watch the golf skills, man. Kevin taught the boys this, man. Line up for the swing.
Man, this ain't it, chief.
Ready? Ready, buddy? Some Tiger Woods this shit.
Man, you're hitting it like this way.
Oh, you see that?
Fuck. Okay. This is coming out right now.
This is everything preventing the slam.
This is the fucking slams coming here.
Jeez.
Wait, what's inside?
It's like a dissection, man. Probably like a bump stop.
We'll just chuck another one of those bushings in.
Yeah, hell yeah. Holy shit, man. Like, it's gonna be mounted here. Might have to take this off.
That spring is longer than I thought.
Yeah, jeez.
Don't need suspension, that's for big ass fat pussies. We can get rid of everybody.
Alright, round two.
Alright, get this out. The Yankee Snoodler. Here, put this on. Jesus Christ almighty. There's gotta be, like, I don't get why we have, like, why wouldn't it just come up?
I think we can just get a flathead in there.
Yanker, buddy. No doubt. I gotta go fishing for that thing again, huh? Buddy, use the fishing skills. Your dad never take you fishing, buddy? Only one time. No, shit.
I'm gonna touch the shit, man. It's hella grease. We could just turn it around, but I really don't want to.
Yeah. If these aren't long enough, man, I'm circumcising myself. What the fuck? Alright, so we got the Springer Dinger and these bad bitches out.
Let's plop these in.
Fucking
These
more
are our new
skateboard
suspensions. Just
Give her hell, buddy.
Bump stop, man.
Nice.
See that drop technique there?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Fuck, man. Which one goes on which side? Oh,
Shit,
this one goes
that
on.
one's the left side.
Alright, hopefully she slammed after this. Holy shit, man. It's gonna be low
Jesus
as
fuck. Oh, that'll work, buddy.
Oh,
it's
right
gonna be
on.
fucking close, but that'll clear, buddy. That'll clear. Oh, that sounds real sandy. Jesus. Okay, I know how to get these back in. We need a Robbie, man. You know there's no Robertsons in the rest of the world?
Yeah, it's mint.
Fuck. This is literally gonna be centimeter of clearances, man. Look at this, mods. Fucking mods. This is what half an mechanical engineering diploma gets you, man. I think that's it.
Yeah, I'll snap the rings back. You right on. Then you like zoom in and you zoom out and then you like zoom back in on something else. It's unreal. People love it, man.
People just getting fucking scurvy from watching it.
These go in just as easy as they came out, I'll be happy.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Fuck.
I'll push down to this side.
Right on. Hell yeah.
Oh, this side just needs to be
Oh,
hit. No,
fuck.
no. If you hit it with the hammer, I better.
No, I'll just snug her in, man.
Alright, snugger.
Seated yet? It's fine.
Fucking seated, buddy. Where's the other one?
Why is it not gonna fit over this side?
Watch yourselves, buddy. Nicely
Man,
done,
you gotta keep
man.
this now. This actually works.
Yeah, that was a good mod.
That was an
Well
excellent
done.
mod.
Hopefully this dankifies it like the rear did. Wait, how the fuck did this go together? Oh, I need the brake. Alright, we're gonna put you guys down. The grips. Fucking artsy shot, man. Jesus, man.
Slam,
This thing's
man.
just dicked, man. Oh, shit. Okay, we should put the front thing on and see how it looks.
Oh man, I got some dirts on there. I gotta wash her off.
Yeah, no doubt. This is sick, man.
Yeah, sorry if the shots are just completely overexposed, boys, today.
Man, that looks so sick. Here,
Here.
wait, give me the camera.
Oh,
Fucking throwing it in.
looks slammed or
Wait.
what?
Geo overexposed. Wait, stop for a second. Just sit on it.
Let's put it on the road.
I don't know how we're gonna get this back on. Look at that minty startup. Man,
It's been upside
come
down.
here and look at the front. It's like tucking.
Man, it looks minty, man.
Actually looks sick. Man, it's too slant for that. Jesus Christ.
There we go, buddy.
Just pull up here and stop and we'll just get a side view. Fuck, man. We should probably bolt this thing on.
Log it out, man. I keep wanting to die. I don't know why. I feel like we had it upside down for so long.
I don't think it will die. I think it's just idle. But kind of low.
No, like it. What's power? It still doesn't look that sick because there's nothing on it. It just looks like a.
No, like the front, when the front end's on it, looks cool. It's like fucking. The fuck? Oh, come on, mate.
We should just rattle can this shit, man.
No, I like the paint.
I think Marlboro color would be sick.
Maybe.
Alright, right on. We'll check back in when she's all back together, and I guess we'll be taking off stickers for today, and that's about it. We'll chop this shit off.
Show all the safety stickers that are everywhere on this thing.
Yeah, geez, load limit. Fucking, I don't even know what that is. You got one here. You got one there. I think that's it.
Okay, we're fucking circumcising the back of this thing.
Just fucking snap her off.
Man, we don't do things with halves. This is a fucking, this is a good build, man. I'm not snapping anything. You know what we'll do? We'll put it in like this.
Yeah, that would be a good idea.
You know why you didn't think of that from the start, buddy? Mods.
Hell yeah, brother.
Mods.
Give her a nice little sand, you know, around the edges.
Sand?
Yeah, give her a little sand.
Oh yeah, because we're going full in on this build, eh?
Yeah, right on.
Chuck her back on. No doubt, no doubt. Oh fuck, man, we gotta circ this thing. Big old knockers. Fucking circed.
Right on.
Cirque du Soleil. Fuck, what'd I do with the screws? I remember putting them somewhere. I was like, I'm gonna put this here, so I don't lose it. Since we had the scooter upside down, this. Oh, there. I think that's the dank. Fuck. Okay. Let's fucking test out the look.
We're gonna build something to like cover the bottom, hey?
Yeah, they always have like an under tray. Once you started the first time, which takes about 30 kicks.
Right on.
Look at that, first kick.
Not bad. Not like the brake light, and we should mount a brake light. Jesus fuck, man. Mount a brake light.
No,
like
I'm gonna buy one off eBay and we'll like integrate it into the like a low pro one, man.
Oh hell yeah. Jeez.
And soon the fat winger dinger.
And then exhausto.
Yeah, no.
And like a front fucking thing over the headlight.
Yeah, definitely.
Little under tray action.
No doubt.
It's gonna be clean, man.
Hell yeah, man.
Outro the fucking video,
stoked,
man.
buddy. Outro the video?
Yeah, right on.
Well, that's it. World's minkiest scooter build going on.
Yeah,
You
if
know-
you're not fucking sub, because we're trying to hit 3 million K.
Yeah, we're trying to hit fucking 10 million K, buddy.
Right on.
Trying to be the first channel with 10 million K subscribers. You know, PewDiePie. Fuck him.
Fuck 'em. Old news, man.
Yeah.
Fake news,
What
man.
does he even do, man?
Bots.
Fuck him. Alright. So yeah, the scooter's looking minky. You know, we're doing everything right on this build. Not cutting any corners.
No shortcuts.
No shortcuts, buddy. Fucking F yeah spec. Yeah, front slam now. We tried to peel off these stickers, they're being a bitch, so we're gonna have to figure something out for that. Maybe
We'll
get
do
the
it later,
E-cut
you know.
choo-choo. Fucking schmelt them
Jesus,
off.
man. Move a little more, why don't you?
What?
What?
What? And then we gotta build the fucking winger dinger.
Hell yeah.
Gotta build the exhauster. Gotta build the fucking frontal winger dinger. Gotta build the bottom winger dinger.
Do you know how to fucking fiberglass or what?
No, we'll get the Mexican guy up here, man.
Alright, right on.
But he does major fiberglass mods.
Okay, well that's fucking it, isn't it?
Yeah, so fucking comment, like, subscribe.
Give me the hand. Give me the hand.
Fucking
Fucking doodle
skadoo!